Creating a Wise payment link is straightforward and uses AI-powered features for customization. First, log into your Wise account using either the mobile app or the website. Next, navigate to the Request Money or Payment Links section in your Wise dashboard. Specify the amount you're requesting and choose the currency. Wise supports over 70 currencies with real-time exchange rates. Add the recipient's details and choose between single-use or reusable links for flexibility. Generate the unique shareable payment link. Wise's AI features help customize it quickly. Share the link through email, messaging apps like WhatsApp, or embedded in invoices for easy access. The recipient clicks the link and is directed to Wise's secure portal to complete the payment. No account is required for the sender. Payments are held securely in Wise's escrow system until the transfer is completed, then released instantly upon confirmation.